So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do a grade item correction. So for example, if you gave a quiz and somehow you set up the wrong amount of points, this is how you can go in and you can correct it. And it also is a tutorial on a good reason to potentially use a grade expiration. So first thing we're going to do is go into grades, and then we're going to go to manage grades. And then once we go into manage grades, we're going to do new item. And we're going to say that this was a problem on quiz 1. So what we're going to do is we are going to do a formula for this one. And we're going to title this quiz 1 corrected. That way it's just for you to know the difference on which one is which in your grade book. And then you want to put the corrected amount. So let's say that you had it worth 10 points and you really need it to be worth 30 points. We're going to put that number that's in there. And then we're going to edit using the formula editor. And so one of the first things you're going to do is you're going to find which grade item it was that the goof up was on. So if it's on quiz 1, we're going to take quiz 1, and then it was the points received. Okay, and we are going to insert that. And then let's say that it was worth 10 points, but you needed it to be worth 30 points. So 10 times 3 is 30. So that's why this next step is going to be what it's going to be. We are going to multiply chapter 1 quiz, the current score, times 3. And then what we are going to do is we are going to insert that. And so we have now inserted that formula editor there. And then what you want to do until you get to a point where you're ready to share with the students, you may want to go into restrictions, and you may want to hide this from the users until you get an opportunity to go in and tell them why you're doing what you did, because otherwise that could be kind of confusing to them. So then you can go into this, double check all of your other settings, hit save and close. And then if you go to your grade book, you'll see if you look under enter grades here, you will see that you've got your chapter 1 quiz that's here. But then if we scroll to the end, you should see chapter 1 quiz corrected. So you would then want to go into chapter 1, this quiz, and you're going to manage those grades. So go into chapter 1 quiz, and then you would go in here and you want to exclude this one from that final grade calculation. And then hit save and close. And then you should be able to see your new grades in there. And then you can even go in and put a grade expiration in on the other one. And you should be able to see that corrected portion there. I hope this helps.